Hey everyone, welcome back to Genai's Android News. Let's kick things off with something that'll make your life way easier. According to Android Authority, Google Wallet has finally solved one of its most annoying quirks. You can now see all the purchases you made on your Wear OS smartwatch right in your phone's Google Wallet app. This means everything you bought using your watch and your phone appears in one unified view. No more confusion about whether you swiped with your wrist or your pocket. Android police also reported that Google's expanded this even further, now showing all your spending in one place. It's the kind of seamless integration we've been waiting for, and honestly, it's about time. Now, if you're into gaming or creative work, XDA Developers has found something that'll blow your mind. Samsung just released their 49-inch Odyssey QD-OLED gaming monitor, and here's the kicker. It delivers top-tier gaming performance without that wallet-crushing ultra-high price tag most people expect. We're talking a massive ultra-wide curved screen with OLED technology, and at $850, it's actually competitive with other high-end gaming displays. For content creators and serious gamers, this is genuinely a game-changer. The QD-OLED tech means insane contrast, blazingly fast response times, and colors that pop off the screen. If you've been eyeing ultra-wide monitors but got scared by the price, this might be your sweet spot. Alright, here's something for all the makers out there. XDA Developers is dropping some real knowledge about budget 3D printers. Turns out, the build plate, that flat surface where your prints actually happen, matters way more than people realize. While everyone gets excited about print speed and fancy specs, having a larger build plate might be the single best upgrade you can get on a budget machine. A bigger build plate means you can print larger objects or fit more projects on a single run, which saves time and materials. You don't need the fastest printer on the market if you can actually fit what you want to make on it. This is one of those under-the-radar features that makes a huge difference in real-world usage. For all the developers watching, XDA Developers tested out all the hyped VS Code alternatives, and the results surprised them. One editor completely changed how code gets written. Editors like Zed are showing up with serious optimization that makes VS Code feel bloated by comparison. We're talking faster startup times, more intuitive workflows, and features that actually make sense. The interesting part? These alternatives aren't just incremental improvements. They're rethinking how code editors should work in 2026. If you've been stuck in the VS Code ecosystem because, well, that's just what everyone uses, it might be worth experimenting with what's out there. Competition drives innovation, and right now, the code editor space is heating up. Here's something thought-provoking from XDA Developers. One writer realized that cloud-based voice assistants like Google Home and Alexa Plus weren't worth the privacy trade-off anymore. So they switched to a local voice assistant that runs entirely on their device. No cloud, no tracking, no data sent anywhere. The interesting thing is, we're finally at a point where local AI assistants have improved enough to be genuinely useful without sacrificing your privacy to a megacorp. If you've been uncomfortable with the amount of data your smart home devices collect, this is actually becoming a viable alternative. It's a trend we're seeing across the industry. People are voting with their wallets for local processing over cloud convenience. Okay, this one's genuinely fascinating. XDA Developers found a portable e-ink monitor that actually changes how they work. Imagine taking a Kindle's e-ink display technology and making it into a full-fledged second screen. That's what this device does. E-ink means zero eye strain even after hours of work, perfect for reading documents, coding, or reference material. The refresh rate isn't lightning fast, so it's not for gaming, but for productivity? This is game-changing. It's the kind of niche product that once you use it, you wonder how you ever lived without it. If you're the type who spends hours in front of screens and your eyes hurt by day's end, this might actually be worth your attention. Real talk from XDA Developers. After years of self-hosting various services, they realized that sometimes the convenience of cloud services actually wins out. There are 4 specific services where the maintenance burden just isn't worth the independence. We're talking about constant updates, security patches, backups, and troubleshooting that eats up your time. Sometimes, paying for a managed service and getting peace of mind is genuinely the smarter choice. This goes against the whole self-hosting spirit, but it's a reality check. Not everything needs to be self-hosted. Know where to draw the line, and you'll actually enjoy your tech more instead of constantly babysitting servers.